My play is Constellation Brands, STZ, shares plummeting today after the spirits maker of Casa Noble tequila, as well as beers like Pacifico and Modelo, reported a lower third quarter profit. Constellation said its Q3 net income also fell slightly to $467.7 million from $470.8 million. Now, excluding losses from its stake in the cannabis company Canopy Growth, which is really key here, Constellation earned $3.01 per share. But however, you see the shares have plummeted more than 9% today. It has been a very rough go for them. Cost they didn't see that coming. The CEO said there were some issues out in California as well. A difficult Q3 report.
Yeah, pricing a huge issue for them. They're saying that they're going to be raising their prices on some products here going forward. You mentioned the weather out in California. That was mentioned by the CEO as well. It's interesting here, though, when you take a look at the drop that we're seeing today, some analysts, though, viewing this as a buying opportunity. David, RBC was out with a note today saying that now could be a good entry point because they do see the environment improving for Constellation, at least during January and February. So take advantage of the dip now is what they're saying, that 9% drop that we're looking at in stocks. It's hard, though, when you take into account the fact that it is a consumer-facing brand running up against a slowing economy. You think that that would have a longer-term impact on a name like that.
Distribution to retailers was down to 5.7% in the quarter, down from 8 to 9% in past quarters. People are buying less beer, or at least the retailers are buying less beer because they're not selling it as much. Is that really going to turn in the next quarter or two as we wonder where consumers
they feel
are spending?
They have a higher end beer consumer with
Sure.
Modelo and Pacifico.
We will see. We'll see whether or not RBC is right, saying now is an opportunity to buy.